What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys been having some good weeks in the market, and I hope you guys are ready to study and get some money tomorrow. Now, with that being said, guys, I do gotta apologize. Listen, I know I've been ghost. I know I've been MIA. I know y'all looking for the Options Boss to come and drop some nuggets for y'all, and I apologize for that, guys. I've been super duper busy with the group chat, but I am gonna do better. We're making sure that I drop videos for you guys, making sure I let you guys know what's going on, what I see through my eyes, and hopefully you guys will see something similar and we can all eat together. Now, with that being said, guys, veterans of the channel, y'all already know how it go. Go down below, like the video, definitely drop a comment every time you do. You help this channel grow, and for that, guys, I appreciate you so much. I definitely appreciate the love. Newbies to the channel, if you're interested in the stock market, if you're interested in trading options, I'm your boy. I'm the Options Boss. I'm the one that's going to give you the game and teach you the technicals of the thing so you can go and get this money yourself. Put these game plans and strategies right into play the very next day as soon as the market opens. So with that being said, guys, listen, it was a crazy week last week. Last week was wild. We had a lot of meme stocks running around doing their thing, and you know, we had a couple of big news stories come out in regards to Moderna and Novavax and things like that, and it allowed us to make a little bit of money last week in the market. The group chat, the plays that we called in the group chat, was able to net us $1,500, which actually was a down week for us, but nevertheless, green is green. We was happy with that. On to this week, guys. We got this week off, and it's been a slow start to the week. Not the first time we had a slow start, but we usually bounce back, so no fear in my eyes, no panic. You see the shirt, I'm calm, guys. You gotta keep calm. Now, with that being said, today it was a crazy day. I mean, we had, you know, the whole Fed minutes going on today and tomorrow, and because of that, things moved funny. The market pulled back a bit, and you know, stocks that you might think would have done well today didn't do well, and stocks that you might have thought wasn't going to do well did well, and so forth and so forth. So it's definitely tricky out here right now. And the best thing you guys can do in situations like this when it's tricky, I've talked to you guys about it once, and I'm going to talk to you guys about it again, and I'll talk to you guys about it again. The best thing you can do in a situation like this is nothing. Guys, I made so few trades today. I hopped in so few new positions. And the reason being is I'm not going to force it. I'm going to keep my bullets in the chamber. And when something happens that I can load up on, then that's when I'll be ready. I'll be locked and loaded to go hard. But when the market is giving you these funny vibes and nothing is moving real consistently, guys, you don't have to make trades in these situations. And that's what I was trying to avoid today. I probably hopped in like 3 or 4 new positions today. And anybody will tell you that knows me, anybody that's in the options group chat will tell you 3 or 4 positions is usually like the first 10 minutes for me. But I hopped in like 3 or 4 positions today, probably all day. And I'm expecting tomorrow to be similar, another 3 or 4 positions, if that. If the market boosts up or down and I can make some money on some calls or puts, I'll definitely slide in. But there wasn't a lot of opportunities that I really felt confident in this week, this day. And it's probably not going to be a lot tomorrow. So knowing that, I'm going to be conservative. You don't have to trade just because it's trading hours. You don't have to trade just because it's a trading day. Guys, I love trading. It's fun for me and I'm passionate about it. But the one thing I've learned through my experience of doing this is sometimes the best things you could do in situations like this is nothing. So I'm going to relax like I relaxed today. Spend some time with the family. Talked a little bit to the guys in the group chat. You know, a couple laughs, couple jokes. And we just left it at that. But tomorrow, I don't want you guys to go out there being aggressive. Don't go out there buying 15 contracts of this ticker or 10 contracts of that ticker. Don't do that tomorrow, because tomorrow could be a risky day. And I'll go as far as saying it could be the rest of this week. But definitely tomorrow, we'll see how Thursday looks when, you know, the unemployment numbers and things of that nature come out. And then Friday is going to be tricky because it's Friday. And it might even be quiet with it on top of that as well. So you definitely want to be careful with that. This is going to be one of the trickier weeks that we've had in the market in some time. And the best thing you could do in a situation like this is not be overexposed. Because if you're overexposed and something bad happens, it's going to hurt you. And I don't want that to happen. So definitely want to warn you guys. Make sure you guys know that. If you are doing any trades, it's definitely imperative that you are day trading this stuff. You can't be swinging right now. Swinging is so risky, and I try to swing as few positions as I possibly can. So with that being said, guys, definitely, as I tell you all the time, you want to sign up for that Webull. You want to create a cash account for your Webull. And when you have a Webull cash account, you can day trade unlimited. You don't need $25,000 to pull off day trades. All you need is just your account to be cash, and you're going to be good to go as long as you got money in your buying power. I'm going to throw a link down in the description, and you guys can sign up through my link. If you do, you're definitely supporting my channel and helping it grow. For that, I definitely appreciate you guys. And I'll be wanting to shout y'all out because so many people sign up for my links, and then I don't know who did it, so I don't know who to shout out on these videos. So if you so happen to use my link, definitely say that in the comments below so I can shout you out on the next video. And situations like this, guys, you just want to chill. You want to sell some calls when the opportunity presents itself. Build up your long-term portfolio. You want to sell some puts when the opportunity presents itself, and just stack money. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to sell a couple puts tomorrow. I'll tell you guys full disclosure. One of the companies I'm going to sell a put on tomorrow is going to be Jumia. So I'm going to sell a put on Jumia tomorrow. As to what strike and such, I'll play around with that the rest of the night. But it's definitely going to be a situation where I feel like I'll make some free money. And worst case scenario is the contract get exercised, and then I'll have another 100 shares of Jumia. And if you guys watch my videos, I'll link one up top. You know I love Jumia long term. So I'm not going to be upset if it get exercised and I have more Jumia in my portfolio. And if it don't get exercised, then I'll just have some extra money in my buying power for the next week to come, because I'm going to do a short-term put sell, and I'll be happy with that. Make sure you guys are doing that. Make sure you're selling calls. Make sure you're selling puts. When you're selling calls, it's like a free dividend, guys. It's like you're getting free money every week if you're doing short weekly sales. It's like free money every week. So it's no reason to not be selling calls if we're owning 100 plus shares of a stock in our portfolio. And you guys, if you have questions about selling calls, I'll even put that video up here as well, so you can check that out. But you want to make sure you're selling calls, and if you got a big enough portfolio, you definitely want to sell some puts because it's free money. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with free money. The only thing I'll say about free puts, and I'm going to eventually make a video about that, but the one thing I will say about selling puts is, if you're selling puts, try to sell puts on a company you don't mind owning. Because you don't want to have that thing fall to you, and then you're looking at it like, I don't really want this. So try to make sure you're doing it on a company you don't mind owning. You see me, I told you I'm going to sell a put on Jumia. I love Jumia. So if I own Jumia, well, I already own Jumia, but if I own more Jumia, I'm not going to be upset at that. And I saw it drop today around that 27 area. So, you know, if I do a put on it, I don't really see it going a whole lot lower. So it should be free money around this point, and I like that. I like the idea of free money for companies that I like long term as well. So that's how we're going to do things. Don't be aggressive. Make sure you're selling them calls. Make sure you're selling them puts if you got a big enough portfolio. And make sure you ask me about the options group chat, especially you newer traders. If you're not really familiar with options trading, it's definitely a way for you guys to make a lot of money in a short amount of time. And you definitely want to do that. So, you know, definitely ask me about the options group chat. I'm also doing classes. I just had a couple classes this past weekend, and they went pretty well. And I'm ready to teach you guys one-on-one, hands-on, exactly how it is to trade options in this market and to make money consistently in this market. So, you know, these are all things that I want you guys to take into consideration. But it's your boy, the Options Boss. I'm definitely not going to hold y'all up. I'm definitely not going to go MIA again. But I will holler when I holler.